Okay, so in this video, I'm going to try to fix my Streamlit errors on the code here. So what happened was I was running this code and then it gave me errors with Streamlit for some reason, and I couldn't figure out why. And I'm also even having issues with Anaconda. The execution file doesn't seem to be opening properly, so I'm not sure what's happening with the navigator. It's a bit strange everything that's going on, but I'll try to CD into this and then see why this Streamlit is not working. I don't know. It worked for the other modules, but it didn't work for this one, so it's a bit strange. I'm just gonna copy the path and then get it on here. Then I also want to develop some like AI apps and then go from there. So I should probably open the YouTube doc window if anyone decides to comment on here. I just got back from like concerts and stampedes, so it's been a lot happening all at once, I guess, but yeah, it's fine. Okay, hopefully Anaconda loads. What is this? Anaconda, there's an instrument Anaconda already running. Okay, Anaconda, where are you? I don't see where you're running. It's not showing you anywhere in the windows. Maybe you need to be updated. Where is this instance running? Anaconda. They need to update this. I also need to update OBS as well. Spider Anaconda, huh? Or it's probably just loading somewhere in the background, I guess. Uh, okay. In any case, let's cd to the relevant directory on here, and then try to run it again and debug. Properties, copy the file path, copy as path. So let's switch to that. CD, yeah, go into that, and then Streamlit run underscore forecast underscore app dot py. Is there a 2 in there? I just need to see whether there's yeah, just stream underscore app. Maybe it's that, or maybe I get rid of the pie. We'll see what happens. Okay, that's doing that. Anaconda. Is this Anaconda? Yeah, Anaconda's been glitchy today. It's like been popping up, closing it out. It's been weird. I closed one before, but it's not even letting me type in any of the code here. And probably just load in the background. I think this is a trying to, yeah, it looks like this is trying to open itself. So I'll make the virtual environment. I had the steps up before, so it told me that I have to open the prompt, create a conda environment for Streamlit with Python, and then specify the version, and then activate the environment with conda, and then install Streamlit. I think ticker was my issue last time, so I need to install that. And then probably I can go from there. I think I can manually add libraries. I've done it once before. So but first, let's see if, okay, there we go. Remind me later. There's environments on the left over there. Oops. There's the prompt. Okay, so for the environment, we can probably just go into the environment section there and add it manually. Probably don't need to do it from the prompt section. So that's probably what I'll end up doing. And we'll see if the ticker module works from there. I don't remember what error it was exactly, but I'm just gonna wait for this to respond and then I'll go there. So all this stuff was working fine. Porting the different libraries, Streamlit. See, Y-Finance is not even properly selected on here. I want to see if there's any issues with Y-Finance. Stream, let's see if anything comes up. Where the app works locally, fails on Streamlit Cloud, okay? Or not correctly installed in the deployment environment. Okay. Yeah, it's doing some good discussion. So apparently it was, many people are seeming to have this error. So I'm gonna put this in my requirements file. Specify all this. Pandas, there are twice requests. Thought I added the rest of the modules in here too. Matplotlib. It looks like that Streamlit file ran as well, so yeah, I'll have a look. Okay, Anaconda. Okay, where's Streamlit? Let's see if this actually runs this time or not. Yeah, no module. Named Y Finance. Let me see, it gave me this error in local. I might not even need a virtual environment if I can solve it without it. I wonder if Anaconda's still being weird. Yeah, it won't let me open it up. Okay. Anaconda opens up. Okay, that's good. Environments. This is the Streamlit one I had from before. I guess it's still running the base environment, so once it does that, I can go to the other one. Let's go over some of what's happening with this API and see if I can find anything interesting from there. Hmm. I think it gave me a similar error in VS Code as well. Uncall app extension shouldn't be hard to fix. There's just one thing that's not working, and I've used it before in the past. Hmm. Maybe I should spin this up on my local. There is a Jupyter notebook directly from this. Or do I even need Jupyter notebook for this to work? Because I need a Python file. Hmm. We'll see what we can test out.